Now in this video we're going to continue on with being able to move around the map. And what we need to do is put a restriction on moving. When we hit the wall of the levels, we want to make it so that you can't keep going. And so the way we do that is we say if, let's see, escape if underscore parent dot levels dot hit test, and then we say this dot underscore x comma this dot underscore y comma true. So let's just test this out. I'm gonna hit escape tr and we'll just have it give us a little message that says hit if you hit the wall. Oh, there's our message. So it gave us a message the whole time we were hitting the wall. And so what we want to do is, let's cut this. Instead of having it give us a little text message, we want it to actually, we'll put if not hitting the levels, then the arrow keys will work. So left will only work. Notice now I can't go through. As soon as it hits, it stops allowing that code to work. So think about that. This line of code says if not hitting the parent levels, parent means outside of this symbol, so parent means out here in scene 1, there's something called levels. And if you hit that, then, or in other words, if not hitting that, then allow this to work. So as soon as this becomes true that you are actually hitting it, this no longer works. So that's pretty nice, but you'll notice that I get halfway through the wall, and the way you fix that is you do minus underscore width divided by 2. So the width of this divided by 2 means right here. So in other words, by saying what I just said, this chunk right here, minus width divided by 2, moves this registration point to the left, right against there. So now you'll notice as soon as I hit the wall, I can't go through, and that's perfect. It's exactly what we want. So let's copy this and paste it down here and use it as a model to change our right key. So let's paste this inside there. Let's hit tab so it scoots in, and then this time it's just the opposite. It's plus. So now it stops me there, it stops me there, and that's great. So let's keep going. Let's paste this down here and use it as a model for the up key. Paste, select, tab. In this case, it's no longer width, and it's not attached to the X, it's attached to the Y. And we want underscore height. So let's take a look at that. Now, whoops. What happened? If not parents, hit test. Oh, this is minus, so I should do minus. Yeah, there we go. So one thing to look for is these numbers, or these symbols, should match. We got minus here, minus there. So now let's copy this, paste it down here, cut this, paste it right there, indent it, and that's plus, so we want to make sure this is plus. So now we're essentially trapped inside this room unless there's doors. And all we have to do to make doors now is double click, get into this symbol where you're at the graphics level. In other words, when you click on it, you can see the speckled, that indicates that you're actually at the graphics layer. I just double clicked, as I said. We used to be inside player 1. By double clicking, it throws us out into scene 1. By double clicking again, it takes us into the levels symbol. So that's how I got in there. And now you'll notice I can only pass through the walls if there's a space for it. So it's pretty good progress. Let's see, let's save this, and I'll see you in the next video.